Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher Tampawan. So in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can setting up this Qv2Ray application to work with Trojan SSH account in your PC without having and facing any of troubles through a SNI host. So let's get start our video and see how we can setting up this application to work on any type of Windows OS. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. Okay guys, first of all you need to download and install this Qv2Ray exe application on your PC. Okay guys, now you can launch this Qv2Ray application and follow this tutorial of setting up this application. Firstly you need to go to this preferences option. When it comes to here, you need to enable this disable system root certificate option, and also you need to enable system proxy option. Now you need to go to this kernel settings option. Now you can copy this vco folder which you can find from the zip file which I have added to the description of this video. Then you need to go back to this folder and click second option called V2Ray access directory option. Now click on here. Here you need to paste the folder which we have already copied. Then you can select this folder and click on select folder option. Now again you need to go to this V2Ray exe option and select the exe file from the folder which I have already pasted to this location, like this. Then you need to click on open option. Now we have successfully setting up our V2Ray core, and then you need to click on here to check whether your V2Ray connection is okay or not. Now you can see our test is successfully passed. Then you can go to this inbound option, and when it comes to here you need to enable the system proxy sniffing option, and also you need to enable this doco demo do option and with is system proxies. When it comes to here you need to enable sniffing option to this HTTP settings also. Now you can go to this connection settings option and enable all these options except the first one called host direct all connections. If you have enabled this option, your connection will not be work well. Now you need to go to these options one by one and setting up these options too. In here I am going to select use IPv4 option. Now we have successfully setting up this application. Then we can enable the plugins for this application also. Now you need to open the zip file which I have added to the description of this video again, and you need to select the type of your Windows PC. If you have a 32-bit Windows PC, you need to open this Win86 folder, and I have a Windows 64-bit computer, so I am going to place these Qv2Ray plugins into the folder where it should be located. Now I am going to copy all of them into my clipboard like this. Then I need to open this Qv2Ray application again and go to this plugins option. When it comes to here, you need to click on this open local plugin folder. Now you need to place your plugin files here. Then you can close this folder again. You need to close this application and exit the application from the system tray. Now click on here and right click on the Qv2Ray application and click on this last option. Now you will be able to close the application like that. Then you need to reopen that application to see whether our plugin installation is completed or not. Let's go to plugins option. Here you can see we have successfully setting up all the plugins which available to this application. On this TrojanGo plugin loaded option, and you need to click on plugin setting option. Now you need to go to this browse option too. Here you need to copy this file into your clipboard like this, and you need to go back to your Qv2Ray application, and then you need to open this path like this. Paste your folder here. Now open that and select this exe file. Then click on this test run option. Okay, we have successfully setting up everything on this application, and now we are going to create a Trojan account to import this application. Here you need to open this howdy.id website to create your Trojan account, and you can follow me and create an account here. Now you can copy this Trojan account into your clipboard, and you need to go back to your Qv2Ray application. When it comes to here, you need to click on this import option again, and you need to paste the VPN account here. Then click on import option. Now click here and select your account. Now right click on your account and go to edit option to import your SNI host. If you don't know the way of finding a SNI host, you can refer to the video that I have included into the description of this video to gain this SNI host. Without this SNI host, you won't be able to get the ultimate benefits of this application. You need to enable all these options one by one and click on OK. You can start your VPN from here. Let's try to browse some websites and see whether our connection is okay or not. You can see how is the connection is speed. Okay guys, with this I'm going to wind up this video. You can setting up any Trojan or TrojanGo accounts using this method with this Qv2Ray application. And thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.